How's that, Az?
Oh, yeah.
Right in there.
Oh, ninja.
So this one can be a beauty.
Scheißenhausen.
So really pinning that
You have to
tendon.
relax, mate.
Oh, sorry. Oh, he's giving me so much
Ninja,
courage.
you're giving him...
Oh,
Yeah.
it's good though.
Fixing him. It's Ninja here. Got Tash and Aaron here helping me out. So what today we're going to do is obscure money spots on the front side of the body that you might not have seen, and what I'm going to do is teach Tash. So she's going to work along with me, and we're going to give this bloke here a bit of curry.
Yeah.
So we're going to have
on the list.
a minute on the clock, 10 seconds in between. We're going to start with his sinus. It'll be a bit of a surprise what we do. So what you're going to do, get your wax and you're going to throw it away. Won't be needing that today.
Alright, no wax.
Alright, so 10 seconds before we start. So I'm going to teach Tash just a few spots. So first one, we'll get a bit extra time. It's going to be in here. So we're going to put our finger in there and just sink in and push in. So we can work with Aaron as well. How's that feel?
Oh, it's very sore.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this one's really good for people that have got a lot of congestion in their sinuses. So we can help that get to flow. And what I'm doing, Tash, is I'm just doing little weaves, little spins, so I can kind of get different part of the pad of my finger on different aspects of the bones under there. I can kind of just intuitively work. So you can probably push towards each other a bit.
Push towards.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
Get something happening. So how's that feel, man?
Oh, it's brutal. It's brutal. Really brutal. Oh,
Who's
both.
doing
A
a little bit longer, another 10 seconds, man.
Fuck me.
Try and do
You're going to be breathing like a dream after this. Going really well.
Fucking hell.
You got it.
Oh man. Oh my fucking.
Have a little break. Look at those fingerprints.
Oh, that's
Evidence. The next one we're going to do is sternum.
Sternum.
So on that side, Tash, she's got a little. Where is it, Aaron?
I'll let you try and find it.
So I'm just
Oh,
going to
yeah,
go
you've got a spot there,
into the bone there. So this, you feel where the in between the ribs.
Yeah.
So I can feel there's ribs on each side.
Yeah.
I'm pushing into there. So
Okay.
connect in with the bone.
okay.
Like that. How's that feel, Aaron, on this side?
Brutal. Yeah,
How's
Tash, you've got that spot.
Yeah.
She's got the spot.
Yeah.
So what we can do is just weave in between the ribs and change angles just to hit different spots. There might be a little bit of calcification in different areas.
Oh man.
So we're just going to weave around. I might go to the next, find the next rib
Yeah, Tash, you got a good spot.
and push
there, mate.
in along there.
Oh yeah, it's good, guys.
Like that,
Up
changing
against the
angles.
bone, yeah?
Might have breathing problems or just actually
Buckled rib, Nick.
buckled rib or copped blows from playing these contact sports and things like that. So can be years later, you can still have calcification and problems between your ribs. So work on these sort of spots. And
Oh, good work, guys.
so 10 seconds break. We've got armpit, sub-scap. So what we're going to do, Tash, get
Yep.
lots of fingers, like broad surface area, and we're going to go in and then push towards the arm, like that. So push down and then just try and weave in and find some harder spots, and then just pin
Nice,
it.
guys.
So we're pinning outwards towards that point of the shoulder. So just going to sink in. So I'm using my leg here where, so you're kind of supporting like that. So you can move it around, so you can do a bit of, what do you call that?
Like passive movement.
Passive movement.
Oh, far out.
And I'm just changing, so I'm going to just change an angle.
Bit of like a
Really
mobilization, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just truly trying to work on solidified parts. So these ones can be really
Tash,
good
if
if
you go
people,
down towards the table a little bit more. Yeah.
Oh, there.
yeah, people can't lift their arm above their head. It can be this muscle in here, subscap, that is the culprit.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice guys. Well
Little
done.
rest. How's the arm feel?
Good guys.
Next up, we're going to do a bit of a forearm spot. So
Forearm
it's right on the point there. We're going to try and
Yeah.
find where that tendon starts. So pinning in there first, like that. And then what we can do, we can change angles by controlling the arm. So like that.
How's that, Az?
Oh yeah.
Right in there.
Oh, ninja.
So this one can be a beauty.
Scheißenhausen. Oh.
So really pinning that
You have to
tendon.
relax, mate.
Oh, sorry. Oh, he's giving me so much
Ninja
carry.
giving him.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's good though.
Fixing him. Yeah. All these spots, people out there, they know they've got.
Yeah.
You can reach down and do a bit of this one on yourself. It's just going
All
to be a
these
killer.
spots you could, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Just push it in.
So you can be your own practitioner. You know where the blocks are. You can kind of feel where the pains are. We want therapeutic pain. We don't want trauma.
Uh-huh.
So
The movement.
there you go, a little bit more.
Oh, ninja.
You know when it's therapeutic up against traumatic, and when it's not connected, it's doing nothing. We don't want that.
Oh.
You got through. All right, thumb.
Okay.
Do a bit of thumb. So for practitioners, people that use their hands a lot,
Mhm.
we're going to do this little one in here. So we're going to try and find the bone there, that joint, and really push in
bottom
there.
there? Yeah.
Got that one?
Yeah.
How does that feel?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, Tash has got it now too.
So I'm
Very
gonna
good,
push in.
guys. Ooh, crikey.
Using
Oh,
my,
Tash, that's
my
good.
leg
That's good.
here to
That's good.
Uh-huh.
weave in.
That's nice support on that thigh, Ninja. Just
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
But
How's your
that's
over
good
here?
too.
It's
No, that's
okay.
good too, yeah.
It's not too
They're
bent.
both really good spots. Like they're really therapeutic.
Yeah, people that use their thumb a lot, like we do, they really appreciate this kind of work.
Mhm.
Gets the flow, but you kind of can do a bit of a mobilisation as well
Oh yeah.
of that joint.
Oh, I got a crack, Ninja.
Yeah, mate.
Fucking Cairo, ring ding
Yeah.
ninja.
Ring dinger. Like
He's still
that.
Big snort.
He's still kicking. Oh, nice,
Right,
Tash. Good.
Still going a little bit more.
Both very good. Very relieving. Yeah, well
There we
done.
go.
Yeah.
What we
What
got?
next?
Uh-oh.
Distal adductor.
Oi.
Distal adductor.
So-
There you go.
Inside knee pain.
Mhm.
A lot of times you want to go into a spot around here. So underneath there. So you can grab it and you can push into that. So a lot of time this one gives you so much curry.
We're going under.
Still sort of lift
Under.
on that. That's really
Welcome
that's
back.
it though.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, sometimes people have got inside knee pain and it can be from this spot here that is giving all the problems. So you kind of can just do little weaves like that, yeah. And then you can feel for where that real ropey bit is, and what you're trying to do is really hone in on where it's the most solid. It's like that.
As does that feel like the area
To
to
push in.
Yeah, probably a bit, put it push in a bit more, like connect in a bit more. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, you just have to connect in a bit more deeper.
Yeah, that's better.
So yeah, this is the spot. Once you push into it, you know about it.
Yeah, you're right on it now, Tash. You just have to
Cool.
find that bone a little bit more. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's one of those ones where you got to connect in before you start moving. You
Yes.
think and then move after you got to the bottom of the
Yes.
cornflower.
Thank you.
Nice,
There you
guys.
go.
Yeah.
ITB.
ITB.
One of Ninja's
So this
favourites.
one's not many people out there would know about it, but it's one that I've kind of located many years ago. So you underneath that and then you push up. It's like there's a button there, like a round ball that's under everyone's ITB, and just push in there. And that can relate to knee pain or actually up into the hip as well. So it's one you can kind of just grab on your own leg,
Go a bit deeper.
just like that,
Yeah,
and you'll feel
that's
it every single time.
Just sort of
up
hook in,
there.
connect in a bit more.
It's a really distinct feeling, like you know when you're on money spots.
That's it.
Yeah?
You got it. That's it.
It's another language.
Sweet.
You kind of just know that it's therapeutic and it's really helpful. It's a really important spot. So
That's like a button. Literally a
It's a-
trigger point. Like you
Yeah.
just know it's good,
yeah,
relevant to stuff that you need unwound.
yeah. And you can just feel when it's starting to melt as well, and then you just need to change your angle so you're kind of hitting into another spot.
We got 5 seconds.
Yeah, you're going well, man.
It's going
Give it
good.
to him.
Yeah.
Give it to him.
Ah, nice. Thank you,
TV.
guys.
All right, a bit of knee.
Bit of knee.
So what we're going to do is elbow into the knee up in here like that.
Love it.
So just on that slightly to the outside of the knee.
Okay.
So we want to hit into
the
to the side of the kneecap and just hit in underneath those things underneath the kneecap that get grumpy. They get calcified and thicks up over time. So
Drive it up a little bit, Tash.
Yeah?
Drive up more.
Yeah.
push up. You probably more the point as well.
Yeah, got it, Tash. There you go.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
More pointy part.
More
you
pointy, and I'm more on the outside too.
reckon? Okay.
It's pretty good though, Tash. It's
Yeah,
good.
that's alright.
Yeah, it's just practice,
Yeah.
and get it done on yourself as well. It's really important, isn't it?
To know.
To know.
Keep pushing up, Tash, towards
Yeah,
my head.
okay.
Towards my head. Yeah, there you go. So you've really got to go up
Sweet.
onto the
Yeah,
under the
so it's
patella
real
there.
like the corner of the patella,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
like a square, and
Yeah.
then but
Oh yeah.
direct
That's
up.
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really,
Thank
really
you.
good. Nice guys.
Hey,
What do we got?
couple more to go. We're going well. Perineal.
Johnny Eel.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is find your bony landmark. So there's a bony landmark just here, and what we're going to do is push into there, just below it. So that's just, yeah, everybody has got this. Every human has got a sore spot just here. So, but it really helps out with your ankle mobility, as well as just
nice.
tightness around the knee. So it's an important one to kind of know about. So what we want to do is melt here first, and then we can kind of encourage it down away from where that connective tissue is all raveled up. And
Whoa. Oh, sorry, Leo. Oh, that's good, guys. Really good.
just hold on to the spots. Do this with an elbow too if you wanted. Just going for the bang for buck spots, you know, things that are going to make a difference, because they're at nexus points there where things cross over. Well, we got one more, I think. So even if you put your feet like that.
Nice.
So what we're going to do is go into this spot here, just with one
Already?
finger. You
Already?
can even do a thumb if you want, or a knuckle.
Oh, nice.
So a lot of times, yeah, it
Okay.
just gets bound up in these
you
sort
go,
of spots
there we
You
here.
got it, Tash. You had it, mate.
So it's
Yeah?
like a
I'm
little
just gonna go the thumb there,
triangular
so I
spot.
can sustain it.
So we can go in with a
Yes.
knuckle like that. It's got him.
Oh, it's going straight through
Whoa,
the
the
foot.
knuckle.
Knuckle is just a perfect shape
Neat.
for that triangular space there. See in there.
Brutal.
But you just know that it's doing plenty for you.
Yeah.
The feet are so much crammed into a small space. So if you can kind of create a bit of space, your feet really enjoy it. Especially people that wear shoes all the time, they don't let their feet express and spread. So their natural tendency. So hold up into there.
It's good. It's really good. It's so
Change angles
therapeutic.
as well. Yeah.
This is just bodywork on steroids. Like
Yeah.
these spots, these buttons that no one knows about, obscure places, but
Yeah.
still need work. Oh, lovely, guys. Thank you.
Sink out.
Look at that thumb.
big divots. Look at that.
That's good.
Done.
Alright, so there's 10 spots you might not have thought about or seen before, but they're really important. Try them on yourself, get your practitioner to try them on you. And if you want to learn how to do more things like this, you can get Aaron and myself to be your mentor and take you through our whole thing, which is 60 hours of video content, plenty in there to sink your teeth into. It's a reference you can have for the rest of your life. But the best part is the mentoring, where we kind of coach you every week for 14 weeks. So yeah,
Awesome.
if you're interested,
Very good.
yeah, look us up and let's get it done together.
Thanks, guys. Beautiful treatments. Done.
Done.